Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be reviewing all of these older vintage Bachmann items that are basically new in the box. Some of the boxes have damage, but the items are basically brand new. We will start with one of these, I think a caboose I have. So we've got this chassis system wide vision caboose. It's basically a normal Bachmann. I've noticed that these boxes are all different, but this one has a cardboard insert, plastic wheels, metal axles, and it's got some not exactly Talgos type trucks, but close to it. I mean, the printing is good for what there is printed. The smokestack is kind of bent. There's no windows. It does have ladders. This one's a bit messed up. There we go. As you can see, here's the end frame detail. Here's underbody. Basically, all basic Bachmann 90 stuff. Slide this up a little bit. Here we have another Bachmann. Wow. A 40. That's not the car. I'm going to just say 40 footstock car for the MKT Railroad. This one has plastic wheels with plastic axles. Hold on, let me see. No, it's metal axles. It's like the AHM. You see, you've got the metal tip right there. But yeah, these are like the weird, like the caboose, but they're not really Talgo type trucks. I don't know what they're called. Here's the top. You've got the walkway, which is a different color than the body. Do these doors slide? No, they're completely locked. Oh, this one does. So this other one must be real tight. Let's see, can we make it close? I'm not gonna break it. It does have the brake wheel. Wow. But, I mean, other than that, the printing is not too bad. I mean, of course, the finer stuff you cannot see at all. But other than that, the main stuff you can see, you can read. Here's the underbody. I mean, actually, kind of not bad detail at all. Just it's not very pronounced. But here we have the next car, which is hold on, let's get this stuff out the way. Which is a Bachmann 51-foot mechanical reefer, Santa Fe Railroad. There. So here we have, it's got the same plastic wheels, metal axles, I guess, with the weird coupler truck combo thing. Oh dang, the printing over here is not bad. Let the camera focus. As you can see, it's very crisp over here, but when you get to the logo, that is not that good. But other than that, everything else is nice. Other side is the same. Oh, wheel fell out. Just pop that back in there. But yeah, other than that, everything's pretty nice. I mean, you've got the top walkway, which is kind of bending a bit upward. But other than that, I mean, it's a good car. Here's the other body detail. I mean, like I said, with the stock car, it's a lot of detail. I mean, you can see the wood planking, but it's not very pronounced. Which I don't really care, because it's the underneath of the car. Okay, so here we have a 50-foot plug door box car, 51-foot steel box car for the Santa Fe Railroad. Now I think this same exact car already, but the other one is kind of weathered. I did a poor job on it. Okay, here we have, I guess, one of the newer kinds of Bachmann. Because you've got all plastic wheels, official Talgo style trucks, plain underframe, minimal detail. You know what? This kind of looks like a lifelike box car. Because it's got the pins right here where the lifelike car does. Printing is, you know, okay. It's all legible. Here's this side. I mean, nothing real special. The walkway is molded on, no separately applied walkway. Really, really shiny. It's a great car to start weathering on. But other than that, nothing really bad about it. And the next car is a 42-foot gondola, Southern. I actually been wanting one of these because I like the shiny, like silver on this car. And I actually got one now. So here's the car. It looks like the floor is kind of bowing upwards. Yeah, you can press it down. I'll investigate that later, but here's the underside. You've got a huge pin mark. You've got the plastic wheel metal axles. As I said, it's got very nice wood detail, even though it's a steel floor. But, it's very nice, actually. Like I said, these are basically brand new. So, I mean, no stirrups are broken. Brake wheel is still there, and it's very, very clean. I mean, basically, the red is kind of faded where the printing isn't that well. But other than that, nothing really bad about it. Here we have a 42-foot offset hopper from the Rock Island Railroad. Now, this has basically the same thing as the gondola. Underbody detail is, okay. I mean, I wish the hatches could be more defined, but whatever. The inside is black. I don't know if that's correct. I don't even know if this hopper even existed. Maybe the paint scheme did, but not on this exact hopper. But the printing is obviously legible. It's got the brake wheel. The wheels have basically no tread on them, no wear. Maybe a little bit. Oh wow, look at that. The wheel is a bit cockeyed. But other than that, nothing really wrong about it. Like I said, they're basically brand new. Here we have probably one of my favorite cars out of this whole lot. It is something, I lost the tag on it. But here we have a heavy-duty flat car with logs. And it's got the bogey something, whatever you call this, type of design. Like the Athearn. It actually looks very similar to an Athearn heavy-duty flat car. I mean, the logs are just one solid molded piece. They all have plastic wheels. It is actually kind of light, but I bet you could add a heavy load on it into the logs. I mean, other than that, I've got one similar to this, but it's the 6-axle design instead of this. I mean, Louisville, Nashville, it's all legible. And now the last piece is the locomotive. So this looks basically brand new. I think it's the pancake motor one. Here it is. I mean, there's no dust on it at all. Handrail popped out. Nothing we can't fix. There we go. But yeah, this is basically brand new. I think it is. Yeah, it is the pancake motor. I hope this does not have cracked gears. It shouldn't, because it's basically never been run. But I will get all these cars down on the track, and I'll test them out for you. Okay, here is the whole consist on the track. Now you may notice I switched up my track. It's a bit of a mess, but here we go. As you can see, it cut out there due to the lack of a good connection, but all the cars are so far doing good. Oh, I think it derailed. Yeah, this car derailed. Should be good. There it is over there. And it should come right over here. So yeah, the locomotive does not have any cracked gears, which It's good because I think, I know it is. It's basically brand new because if you look at the treads on the wheels, there is basically no wear, and it still has the traction tire. So, that is all for this video. See you in the next video.